If you feel stuck in your life and your career, like all you can do is fail, this is for you. Being the son of immigrant parents, I was bullied. I couldn't speak English and I was overweight. Many years of this led to a negative fear based mindset that I struggle with every day to overcome. I struggle with depression and anxiety. And when I'm in that place, I feel like all I can do is fail. And let me tell you why. Took me 6 years to get my undergraduate bachelor's degree. Failed my dental admissions test twice. Applied to over 30 schools so that I could get into one. After a month, I failed a class and my offer was rescinded. Was lucky enough to get into one other school that was unaccredited. I struggled every day just to scrape by and pass dental school. I failed my dental board exams twice. I was able to pass, but I soon realized that the working life is much harder than the student life. I started my new job and I got weekly complaints. So much so that I developed stress and anxiety every day before I came to work. I was afraid that I was going to lose my job. After 18 months, I did. I was lucky enough to get another job. However, my old mentality and my old habits followed me. I gained 45 pounds. I was absolutely miserable. It took every ounce of energy I had just to complete one day's work, come home, binge eat, fall asleep watching Netflix, rinse and repeat. My marriage and my relationships were struggling. I looked at myself in the mirror and I saw a shell of a person that used to have hopes and dreams, struggling just to survive. One day, I was watching a video and it said, "You are responsible for your journey. Nobody is coming to save you. You have to save yourself." And in that moment, it clicked. I have to save myself. I began by trying to become 1% better every day. I worked on my mentality, my physicality, and my skills. I stopped consuming, I stopped binging, and I started producing. I persevered through my bad habits. Fast forward 6 years. I'm a top 1% producer in my field. My beautiful wife and I just had our first baby boy. I have an incredible dad bod. I have multiple sources of passive income. And I found my passion of coaching others through the barriers that I have. Your struggles aren't stopping you, they're preparing you. It is, in fact, true that you can fail your way to success. If any of this resonated with you, please subscribe. If you're going through a struggle or have gone through a struggle, please leave a comment. This is another episode with Dr. Roman. I hope y'all have a good night. Peace.